lot of lawnmowers here.
So this one has cutting wide, 72
Oh, you don't need to
meters.
read that, baby. Just tell me which one is your favorite one.
Yeah, let me show you which one is my favorite one. Let's go all the way to here. This one is my favorite one because it's cordless. Look, you just need to put the battery inside.
Talk a bit loud.
You just need to put the battery inside and then it's going to charge up. As you can see,
How you take the grass out?
you take the grass out here. This is where it says full and empty.
How you empty it then?
You empty it like this.
Ah.
So this is really compacted. Before you can do that, this is my favorite one because it's cordless. Let me show you another cool feature.
I like this one, baby. This one, baby. The yellow one. Yeah. What feature this one have?
This one.
Yeah.
This one. This one is
That one can cut the grass size.
Yeah, but this one is cordless, as you can see, and it has different thingies on it. You can put it all the way at the
A
top.
big grass and a small grass.
Let me show you a feature of this. Look, this is where it can go down,
Wow.
or you can put it up. Let's put it down to show you. Okay, this one is battery. Now look inside. This is where it has battery, and
I can't hear you. You're not talking loud.
it goes the same way up like this. Let me show the inside. Have this one. Yeah. So this is how to open it. Has a big capacitor in it, and you just need to put it back on, which is like this. You want to get it at the start, then start like this.
Where is the big one, baby? The big one is there. Oh, it's there. Ah, this is my favorite.
Yeah, you can't ride it.
Oh, this took it because you were driving last time. This took it. Ah, baby. This took the seat. You come sit on it.
Yeah. Let me show you now. This is where for you to drive, and look, it says tuner.
It's got a big grass tank.
And this is where you can do it. This is where you put the gears on, and you want to go backwards, you just make it there.
On this one, baby.
And this one, and this one is a dangerous one.
This is a fuel one.
Yeah, it's petrol. I don't know this. Let me try. You have to put that.
And this one?
Oh, yeah.
These are petrol as well. I think that one is better, baby. That one, baby. This one.
This one is super strong. It's really strong, and it cooks. Look how big is the grass. It cooks 6 liters of large grass. Cutting height is 42 to 65. Cutting wide is 46, and it's durable steel cutting net, and it's really powerful. Okay.